I'm making Christmas shortbread. I'm just sifting the flour, and I'll sift it again once I put it in the mixer. The key thing is you got the butter at room temperature. It has to be real soft, just like that. And I got half a cup of icing sugar and a half a cup of cornstarch and a cup and a half of flour. So I'll get a mixing bowl. Which is this one. So I'm going to have to transfer the flour to another container. And you want to add the icing sugar and mix this at low speed. The key is not to over mix anything here. Add the cornstarch. And it'll get stiffer this time. Ooh, there's the cornstarch just flying around. I will have to put the corn. Oh yeah. This is usually when I put it into the sink, and then I'll just give it a fast spin. Look at that already. Okay, I'll give it a quick spin in the sink. No. Nothing really flew out. Okay, bring it back. Now I got the flour, and I'll sift it in there. Whoa. I'll do a half at a time. Okay, on low speed. Add the other half of the flour now. I'll show you the pan that I'm going to be using here. This one here. And that's it. Now I'm going to put it in the sink, and I'm going to give it a spin to get all that off the beater bars. Oh yeah, I got lots on there, but lots around the edges of the sink too. I can scrape this off. Okay, I'm back after cleaning up this little bit. Let's have a look here. You don't have to grease the pan. Plus you got a whole bunch of butter anyway. Try about that much. I got about half of them in there. So I'll do another, I'll bake another batch. They're real quick to bake anyway. And I'll pat them down a little bit like that. So, and we're gonna go for 10 minutes. We'll try them. And I got the rack in the middle row. And we'll check them out. These lights give a little flicker in the screen. I'm wondering if it'll be on the video also. We're at 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Ooh. See, they're getting brown around the edges. I'll give it 1 more minute. Happy holidays to everyone. There they are. Bring the camera in here and we'll take them right out of the pan. And we'll check the underside of them. Get them out of the pan. I gotta let that cool down a little bit before I do the other ones.